Now let's take a look at the elements defined in the mods metadata schema. So we notice there are top-level elements, title information, name, genre, origin information. We have seen those examples. And the root elements, there is two, mods and mods collection. As we used it before, mods collection contains a list of mods record, and a mods record actually contains sub-elements, and those sub-elements are actually top-level elements. What this tells us is that mods XML document could start with mods element. If you start with mods tag, that means this document is one single record, as the website and the journal article example shows. And you could also start a mods XML document with mods collections, like the example that we created show. That if you create a mods collection under this tag, you will have as many as you want mods record. And in each mods record, a single resource is described using the top level element. So using title information, name, genre, abstract, subject, and we've seen those examples. So that's the basic structure of mods. We will see look at the schema in a separate video, and to see they are actually, when we look at subject, as we look at earlier in the example, that subject contains another set of sub-elements, including topic, geographic, temporal, and all, name, all that. So this reflects the hierarchical structure of mods standard, that sub-elements can be nested under some other elements, and which is rather different from DC. DC have a very flat structure, that one element goes after another. There isn't an element, a nest inside another element. So their strengths, also weakness. Of course, the hierarchical structure will make probably more sense when a computer reads topic under subject. It will understand that's a topical subject. The flat structure, on the other hand, is much more adaptable. Anyone can just pick up an element and use without worrying the structure, how the structure should be created. So this is a very basic view of mods standard, looking at what major elements, and what we notice, all those elements, top level elements, are the elements that either helps the user retrieve information, because we often retrieve by a resource's title, by author's name, by subject, or those elements provides information for the user to see if this record is desirable for them to look further. For example, table of contents, although you probably won't search in table of content, but the return result display table of content will help you to decide if that's the book that I want to borrow, want to read more about. So those are the basic two principles to decide what elements should be included in a metadata schema, for retrieval purpose and for providing user information purpose.